Now, one of the things that people are always really keen on is making sure that the court has their evidence. People want to feel heard, and totally I get it. You want to feel heard. In fact, the court will go out of its way for that to happen because, hey, you've got your day in court. You want to be able to put your side of the story across. You want to be able to present your evidence, and you want the court to consider it. Now, over the years I've worked in family law, I've seen an awful lot of people putting in stuff that just isn't relevant, stuff the court's not going to look at, stuff that's implicit, stuff that isn't going to help their case. They may even have some really good evidence, but it's actually lost amongst lots of rubbish. The court is not going to search for a needle in a haystack, particularly if you're not pointing it out to the court and saying to the court, look, here's all the evidence, can you go through it please? And the court will pick out the good bits, and it will do the work for you. You have to lead the court by the nose. Now, that includes things like people putting in witness statements where the witness is not talking about stuff that's relevant. So that perhaps they'll be talking about, yeah, they heard that the X was rubbish, but they didn't actually see it. Character references, that's another good one. People will say, yeah, no, he's a wonderful guy. He wouldn't hurt a fly, but that's it. People putting in stuff that's irrelevant to the case. So it'll be things like links to web pages, articles in the newspapers, printouts from books. The court's not interested in that. Look, courts have got limited time. There's an old joke. Where's the best place to bury a body? On the second page of Google. Similarly, if you've got lots of evidence and some of it's really killer evidence that the court really needs to see, you're not doing yourself any favours at all if you're actually burying it in acres and acres of irrelevant paperwork that the court, quite frankly, just isn't going to read.